The Toyota Highlander is an SUV manufactured by Japan automaker Toyota and is currently in its third generation. Today, I'm proudly to present to you the 2015 Toyota Highlander XLE in white. The new Highlander is now longer and wider than the previous generations, and its design has changed from its boxy look to one that is similar to other mid-size SUV. For example, the Jeep Grand Cherokee, the Ford Explorer, as well as the Nissan Pathfinder, but yet still remain in the crossover rims. The new Highlander roomy interior provides enough space to sit up to 8 people and provide more comfort along the way with reclining third row seats. Available second row captain chairs help the Highlander comfortably sit 7 and offer the same great versatility. You can even get heated second row captain chairs on the limited grade with Platinum package. The new Highlander also offers 2 smart engine choices. You can pick between the 4-cylinder engine that squeezes the most performance out of every mile in gallons, pushes out 185 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, yet still managed to offer a great EPA rating of 20 miles per gallon city and 25 highway. The V6 engine, which is what I have here today, pushes out 270 horsepower and 248 pound-feet of torque with an EPA rating of 19 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon highway for front-wheel drive model. Up front, the 2015 Highlander was designed with excitement in mind, a bold, aggressive grille that aids airflow, while the projector beam halogen smoke chrome accent headlights with auto on and off feature with integrated daytime running lights are standard on the XLE model, though LED daytime running lights are available as an option. At the bottom is the pair of halogen freeform fog lights. And a closer look at the bold, aggressive grille with chrome accenting and Toyota logo in the middle. Very aggressive front end. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes standard with 18-inch split 5-spoke machine face alloy wheels with 245/60 tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs, as well as the brake caliper painted in silver. Side view mirror with turn signal indicator. And here's a look to the top with the sunroof that can be tilted up or slide open for an open air feeling, as well as the dual chrome roof rails that can help minimize the noise coming from the overhead while not in use. Rear wheels are also 18 inches. The Toyota Highlander also features Star Safety System, which include enhanced vehicle stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, brake assist, as well as smart start technology. To the back is the unique and stylish tail light with integrated turn signal light as well as brake light. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser with rear deflector built into the rear diffuser. And there's the exhaust tip. Rear view camera is located right above the license plate and will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. And there's the button to open the glass panel. Roof spoiler on top with integrated third LED brake light. Okay, here I have the remote. Very nice and stylish remote. Toyota logo on the back. On the remote I have the lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic buttons. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. Now the car does come equipped with smart access key system. So with the key in your pocket, just press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as Blizzard Pearl, featuring a full black leather interior with contrast stitching on the seat, with wood trims and silver aluminum trims throughout. Very good looking interior. Now let's start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. Okay, now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Toyota Highlander XLE have to offer. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine with double overhead cam, 24 valve with dual variable valve timing with intelligence, 6-speed automatic transmission, front wheel drive, pushing out 270 horsepower and 248 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in about 7.5 seconds. EPA estimated fuel economy is 19 city, 25 highway, and 21 combined. Very good mile per gallon rating. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with wood trims and silver aluminum trims on it. Both front windows are fully automatic, and there's the lock and unlock buttons and the side view mirror controlled. There you have the storage compartment on the door as well as the cup holder. And there's the pedals. And a closer look at the seat. It is not perforated, but does offer heated options. Beautiful contrast stitching on it. Driver seat feature 8-way power adjustable driver seat, including power thigh support and lumbar support, and 4-way power adjustable for front passenger seat. The 3-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather with silver aluminum trims in the middle. Looks and feel really nice. Featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, voice command, as well as the most frequent use function in the vehicle. Behind the steering wheel on the left, you have the light controlled, as well as the turn signal light controlled. And on the right, you have the windshield wiper controlled. Steering wheel does feature manual tilt and telescopic steering column. And there's the cruise control. And here's a look at the instrument cluster. The XLE model also comes standard with our Optitron instrumentation with blue illuminated speedometer and the 3.5-inch LCD multi-information display. Over to the left is the driver's side air vent with aluminum trims around it. And there's the trunk release button and the window defroster button. And here is a closer look at the dash. Now the XLE model also comes standard with Entune Premium audio system with navigations and app suite, which include the Entune Multimedia Bundle with 8-inch high-resolution touchscreen display located on the center stack with split screen options. On top you have the time, beautiful aluminum trims on the dash, and here you have the large multimedia screen and your different sources. Very nice sound quality. Alright, inside the app you have navigation, audio, phone, message, equal, setup, traffic, and driver easy spec. You have your real-time traffic event, telephone, and right here you have the micro SD slot, and you can just scroll that knob around to make selections. Here's the dual climate control storage compartment all along the dash. Down here you have your traction control on and off, snow mode, USB auxiliary input, as well as the 12-volt power outlet. And here's the dual cup holder. Alright, there's the gear lever. Very nice looking design. Pull it down to get into reverse, and rear view camera will activate and display on the multimedia screen with guidance line to help with a much easier backup. And down again for neutral, down again for drive, and you can also move it to the left for sport mode, and that's when you can move the gear lever up and down to change gear for a more aggressive ride. Very easy and simple to use. There's the heated seat, center storage compartment with a 12-volt power outlet. Glove box compartment. And here's a closer look at the seat. Very nice upholstery material. On top you have the light control and the 3 buttons universal garage door opener, sunglasses holder, and you can leave it like that to get a complete view at the back with that mirror. Sunshade, one touch open, close, and tilt moonroof. You can tilt it up for ventilation or slide open for an open air feeling. Very nice feature to have. And here's a look at the rear view mirror, sun visor mirror. Alright, now let's take a look at the second row seat. Second row seats offer seating for 3, and it does offer plenty of space in the back. It does feature folded option as well. And here's a look at the rear driver's side door panel with wood trims and aluminum trims on it as well. Storage compartment on the door, and you do have the manual sunshade for the rear window. to block some of the sun out. Alright, now let's get inside. And here's a quick view at the third row seat. And a quick look at the front cabin. Very spacious cabin. And a look to the top. Down here you have the full climate control for the rear passengers. Okay, here is the storage compartment with the 100 watts power plug, as well as the 12 volt power outlet. A very nice and convenient feature to have. Alright, second row seating are very spacious. As you can see, I'm 5'8" and I have plenty of leg rooms left. And there's the rear seats pocket. Rear seats are really comfortable as well. It is very well padded. On top you have the air vent, your light controlled, and the handle, and a hook on top of each one on each side. And here's the center armrest with dual cup holder. And another quick look at the third row seat. Alright, before we get into the third row seat, let me show you how to fold down the second row seat. There's 3 levers on the side, and that one right there is used to fold down the second row seat. And you can fold it down into 60 or 40 split if needed for more cargo space. Alright, so to get access to the third row seat, just pull that lever and slide it forward to get access to the back. So as you can see, third row offers seating for 3. Now let's get into the back and see how it is in the back. Alright, so if I pull the seat all the way back, my leg will be touching the seat, the second row seat. So it is kind of tight in the back. Maybe it's best for small children or kids. There you have your 2 cup holder, air vent and light, and there's the belt for the middle passenger. More cup holders, and here's the look to the trunk. Alright, to get out, just pull the lever, push it up to get out. And let me show you how it looks with all the seats folded down. With all the seats folded down, you can probably fit about anything in the back. So here it is. This is how it looks with all the seats folded. So there's plenty of cargo space if needed. Now let's pop the trunk and see how much cargo space the trunk offers. Alright, so with both the second and the third row seats folded down, you get a total of 83.2 cubic feet of cargo space. And behind the second row seat, you get 42.3. And behind the third row seat, you get 13.8 cubic feet of cargo space. So you can fit just about anything behind the back of the Highlander with all the seats folded down. And let's see what we have down here. Down here you have your tools. And let's raise up the third row seat and see how it is. Keep in mind that you can fold down the seat into any configurations for your convenience. Alright, this is how it looks. So even with both the second row seats and third row seats folded up, you still have plenty of cargo space for your groceries. One touch close. Now let's pop the gas cap. Gas cap is located on the driver's side. It does not require premium fuel and holds approximately 19.2 gallons of fuel. Overall, the 2015 Toyota Highlander is an SUV offering seating for 8 passengers. It makes a great vehicle for family with a lot of children, so now buyers will have more choices to pick when they are in the market for an SUV. This is definitely one you want to check out if you're in the market for one. So like I mentioned before, third row seats are for sitting for 3, but adults is not recommended to be sitting on the third row seat. It is best for children or small kids for best comfort. The front cabins, however, are very spacious and offer great upholstery material with nicely wood trims and aluminum trims all around. Alright, now let's jump into the front passenger seat and see how it is in the front. Very spacious. Plenty of storage space for your need. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2015 Toyota Highlander XLE. Go ahead and leave me a comment below letting me know how you guys like it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. And I'll see you guys next time.